Let's finish the strategy trio with greedy. DP explores every path, backtracking lists them, and greedy just grabs the best local move and never looks back. Sometimes that's flat out wrong, and sometimes it's provably optimal and 10 times simpler than DP. The greedy code is always easy, a sort and a loop. The skill is knowing when greed is safe and being able to say why. That judgment is what this video trains. Definition first. A greedy algorithm makes the locally best-looking choice at every step and never reconsiders. It's fast and simple, but it's only correct when the problem has the greedy choice property, some local best that's provably safe globally. If you can't argue why the local choice never hurts, it's a DP problem in disguise. The gold standard, interval scheduling. Given meetings, attend the maximum number without overlaps. The greedy choice, sort by end time, and always take the meeting that ends earliest among compatible ones. Why is that safe? Because the earliest ending meeting leaves the maximum possible room for everything after it. No alternative choice can ever leave more. That one sentence is a proof sketch, and interviewers listen for it. And the classic trap, sorting by start time feels natural and is simply wrong. A long early meeting blocks everything. Non-overlapping intervals, minimum arrows to burst balloons, same skeleton, sort by end. Second family, reachability. Jump game. Can you reach the last index? One pass, tracking a single number, reach, the farthest index attainable so far. Max of reach, and I plus nums of I. If your position ever exceeds reach, you're stuck. Jump game 2. Minimum jumps, upgrades it beautifully. Think in layers, extend the current jumps window until it's exhausted. Then count a jump and open the next window. That's secretly BFS on a number line. Each layer is one jump, and connecting greedy to be FS like that is a genuinely impressive interview moment. Gas station is a cousin. If total gas suffices, the answer is the station after your worst failure point. Now the crucial judgment, when greedy fails. Coin change with coins 1, 3, and 4, target 6. Greedy grabs the biggest, for +1, 3 coins. Optimal, 3 + 3, 2 coins. Greedy loses. That's why general coin change is a DP problem, even though for standard currency greedy happens to work. The habit to demonstrate, before committing to greedy, probe it with small adversarial examples. If you can't break it, articulate why the local choice can't hurt the future. Say that process out loud. Try to break my greedy, and you sound like someone who's been burned and learned, which is exactly the right look. The greatest hits to have loaded. Intervals. Sort by end for scheduling, by start for merging. Reachability, expanding windows. Matching problems like assigned cookies or boats to save people. Sort both sides, then 2 pointers, greedy pairing. Partition labels. Track each character's last occurrence. Cut whenever your index reaches the farthest last seen so far. Gas station. Restart after the worst failure. Notice the common thread. Almost every greedy is a sort followed by one smart pass. If you've sorted and a single sweep with a small invariant solves it, you've found the greedy. Sort by end time, sweep, take whatever fits. Why end? Not start/shortest. The earliest finisher constrains the future least. Coin change with coins 1, 3, 4, amount 6. Greedy takes 4 + 1 + 1 is equal to 3 coins. Optimal is 3 + 3 is equal to 2. One counterexample kills a greedy. Now the mistakes to avoid, straight from the field. Beginner sorting intervals by start from max count. Fails. One long early meeting blocks everything. Intermediate trusting feels optimal without a counterexample hunt. Wrong tie breaking. Advanced, not naming the exchange argument in interviews. The proof, is the answer. Interview questions on this, rapid fire. Why sort by end time? Earliest finisher leaves maximum room. Exchange argument makes it rigorous. When greedy over DP. When the greedy choice property is provable. Otherwise DP. Jump game? 1 pass tracking max reach. Stuck if I reach. A greedy that fails? Coin change 1, 3, 4 to 6. Largest first gives 3 coins. Optimal 2. And what most tutorials never tell you. Greedy subset of DP. Every greedy problem has a DP formulation. Greedy is the special case where one branch provably dominates. Matroids are the deep theory of when greedy works. Name drop only if asked why Kruskal's greedy MST is safe. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. The pattern's promise. When greedy applies, you beat the DP crowd by an order of magnitude in both code and runtime. The tax. You must earn it with an argument out loud. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. One sentence to say in a room. Sort by end time, because finishing early can never hurt. Exchange argument. The start time counterexample above is your proof you're not guessing. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. Recognition queue. Can you reach /minimum jumps over an array of ranges? The answer is a running maximum, not a table. Beginner's right O, in superscript 2, DP here. The greedy insight is that reach summarizes everything the past could do. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. 2 greedy signatures on display. A feasibility total. Can anyone succeed? Separate from the local walk. Who succeeds? And a restart rule justified by intermediate starts inherit a worse tank. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. Here's how it flows on screen. Coins 1, 3, for amount equals 6, fewest coins. Greedy. Largest first, take 4, then remainder 2, then take 1, then 1, then take 1, then 0, equals 3 coins for +1. Next, optimal. 3 plus 3 equals 6 with 2 coins. Greedy is off by a full coin on a 3-coin toy system. Next, why it fails. Taking 4 changes what the remainder can do. Choices interact. No exchange swap fixes it. US coins happen to be canonical, so greedy works there. That's a property of the coin set, not of the algorithm. Next, greedy versus DP decision test. Can I state an exchange argument in one breath? Did I hunt for a small counterexample and fail to find one? Both yes, then greedy. Else then DP, CH18. Coin change is literally CH18's DPMT table. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Here is what separates someone who memorized greedy from someone who understands it. Greedy is correct only when 2 things hold. 1, the greedy choice property. A locally best pick belongs to some global optimum, so you never need to take it back. 2, optimal substructure. After that pick, what's left is the same problem in miniature. The difference from dynamic programming in one breath. Greedy commits and walks a single path down. DP explores every branch and keeps the best. And how do experts actually prove a greedy is correct? The exchange argument. Take any optimal solution and swap one of its choices for the greedy choice without making it worse. Keep swapping, and that optimal solution turns into the greedy one. So greedy must be optimal too. It's sibling. Greedy stays ahead. Uses induction to show greedy is never behind. Say one of these out loud, and the interviewer relaxes. The classic trap every candidate must know. 01 knapsack, capacity 50. 3 items, value and weight. Is 60 and 10, be 120, C 120 and 30. Rank by value per weight ratio and greedily grab. Take A, take B. Weight is now 30, value 160, and C will not fit in the last 20 units. Greedy stops at 160. But the optimum is B plus C, weight exactly 50, value 220. Greedy lost by 60. Why? You can't take a fraction of C. The all-or-nothing rule breaks the greedy choice property. So this is a dynamic programming problem. Now flip one rule. In fractional knapsack, where you may cut an item, the very same ratio greedy is provably optimal. Same idea, opposite verdict. The constraint decides, not your intuition. Now the part candidates ask for most. What real companies actually probe on this topic, based on public interview reports, not official statements. Amazon reported interval family, meeting rooms, erase overlaps, merge as a staple. The sort by end justification is reportedly graded, not just the loop. Google reported prove it or break it style, propose greedy, then defend against an interviewer-supplied counterexample. Gas station and task scheduler appear in reports. Meta reported jump game I2 under time pressure. The ON, reach solution versus O in superscript 2. DP is the reported bar. Microsoft reported candy rating style 2-pass greedy and Huffman-flavored merge cost questions. Connect ropes with minimum cost. A heat plus greedy hybrid with CH10. Here is how the same answer is graded from weak to excellent, so you know exactly what an interviewer is listening for. Question maximum number of non-overlapping meetings. LC 435 family. Why asked? The purest test of greedy with justification. Weak. Sort by start. No proof. Fails the A1. 10 counterexample. Good. Sort by end. Correct loop. Excellent. Shows the start time counterexample. States the exchange argument in one sentence. Handles touching intervals per the statement. O. In login. Impress. Same skeleton solves min removals, n minus kept, and min arrows. LC 452. Red flag. Defending sort by start when shown the counterexample. Question. Can you reach the last index? LC 55. Weak. ON superscript 2. DP or recursion with memo. Good. Farthest reach 1 pass. Excellent. Walks both the passing 2, 3, 1, 1, 4, and the failing 3, 2, 1, 0 for explains why one growing number summarizes the past. 0 and 0, 1. Impress. Jump game 2 via ring boundaries. Current reach exhausted means jump count plus plus. Question fewest coins for an amount. Greedy or not? Weak. Greedy. Take the largest. Good. Knows DP is needed. Excellent. The 1, 3, 4, 6 counterexample delivered instantly. Canonical coin systems make greedy work for U.S. currency, a property of the coin set. Then the DPMT recurrence from CH18. Red flag. No counterexample when challenged. Your cheat sheet. Local best plus never look back. Usually sort plus sweep. Valid IFF exchange argument holds. Hunt counterexamples first. Intervals to sort by YND. Merge cost to min heap. 2 array matching to sort both. And the memory trick. Greedy is DP that never needed the notebook, but you must prove it. Quick check. Maximum non-overlapping intervals. Why sort by earliest end time? Because the meeting that finishes first leaves the most room for everything after it. The exchange argument makes it rigorous. Any optimal solution can swap its first pick for the earliest ender without losing anything. Quick favor. If this is useful, subscribe and turn on the bell. New videos and daily updates. Every 1-0 to deep. Now the recap. Let's lock it in. Greedy takes the best local move and never reconsiders. For scheduling, sort by end time. Sorting by start is the trap, and justify with earliest end leaves maximum room. Jump games track expanding reach, secretly be FS. Before trusting greed, probe with small counterexamples. Coins 1, 3, 4 target 6 is the classic breaker, and if greedy fails, it's DP. And a shape to recognize, a sort plus 1 smart pass. That's greedy, simple code, earn confidence. And that's greedy. If you want the exchange argument proofs, every greatest hit worked through, and DP versus greedy drills, it's all in the full write-up in the Codivora library. Like, subscribe, and keep building.